learncertain.com. Today we're going to look at a 26 questions from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2 from the Bluebook app. The easier set of reading writing questions. Number 22 reads, which choice completes text that conforms to the conventions of standard English? When you see that question, you want to look at the answer choices. When you look at the answer choices, you want to identify whether it's testing punctuation or part of speech, and then you want to ask yourself questions based on whether it's punctuation or part of speech. This is part of speech because there's no different punctuation, and you identify that part of speech, and they are verbs. Then you got to think, what do you check for when the verbs is a line? You want to check for tense, whether it's past, present, future, and subject, verb, agreement, whether it's singular, plural, or basis of subject. Excuse me. And so, in order to check for subject, verb, agreement, this is a little bit easier. You can read with it in front of each word. It has doubled, it had doubled, it doubles, it will double. It works for all of them. So, it's not testing subject, verb, agreement. So now we're going to switch gears and check for verb tense. Has doubled, has plus verb shows that something started in the past and still happening. Answer choice, that's answer choice A. Answer choice B had doubled. That shows something began and ended in the past, or two things happened in the past. The first thing gets had plus verb. And then doubles is just a simple present tense verb for when it's singular. And then doubles is going to be future. So let's read the passage and see what's going on. Formed in 1967, foster political and economic stability within the Asian Pacific region. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations was originally made up of 5 members: Thailand, the Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. By the end of the 1990s, the organization blank its initial membership. Here's your hint as to what verb tense it is. It says by the end of the 1990s. So what does that show? That shows something started in the past and it's happening over a period of time and that continues now? No. It ended in the 1990s, so that's gone. So when it says by the end of the 1990s, by the end, it shows it's happening over a period of time of the 1990s. That's in the past. So it happened over a period of time and ended in the past. Answer choice B is going to be your correct answer. Answer choice C, it's not happening right now. It's not present tense. Answer choice D, it's not happening in the future, so it's not future tense. B is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with verb tense. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. It's going to be in the same playlist below. So IBM Learning Center, Test 2 Module 2A, which is easier set of reading and writing questions. And go down below and see the 1-minute video for this. We've got 1-minute videos for everything, so that you could, if you get it from 1-minute video, you don't need to watch a longer video unless you find the additional information helpful. So if there's any question you'd like to see answered, then put it in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it, and have a great day.